Hey guys, welcome to this month's Rushfaster Carry Up, where we discuss everything that's good and bad inside the world of carry. And we also give away something later on in the show. But first, Ed, what's on this month in the roundup?
We've got news from Shimoda, Peak Design, Pakt, Aer, Wandrd, and Trakke. Dan, let's start off with some Peak Design. What have they been up to?
Also, I just want to correct my intro. We don't carry anything that's bad inside the world of carry. It's only what's new and exciting. So moving on and starting off this carry roundup, we're going to talk about what's new from Peak Design. Peak have just released the version 2 of their field pouch, which is a really popular little field pouch. So they're just slight adjustments to what was already a very good little pouch. The update includes a little change in shape, adjustments to the pocketing, and also now includes a carry strap if you want to carry it as a sling. Good little carry pouch that you can carry around your waist with a belt, or you can use it with that strap now and put accessories and whatever else you need into it. It's made out of 400D nylon canvas with DWA impregnated double polyurethane coating. It's got the same Velcro opening, which allows for expansion up to 3 liters, and it features 2 capture clip mounting points on either side instead of just the one in the middle. And the carry strap can easily be attached using Peak Design's cord hook system. Ed has done a video on this already, so if you're interested in checking that out, use the link above right now.
Yeah, check that video out. Field pouch is a pretty decent bag. It's kind of always been one that's flown under the radar in comparison to all of Peak Design's bags and pouches, but you know, it's a good pouch and it's really good to see them update it, especially with the inclusion of the carry strap. That's good.
Yeah, excellent. And Ed, up next, tell us what's new from Shimoda.
Yeah, big release. Shimoda have launched a new V2 to their really popular Explore series on Kickstarter. We've done a video on that already, so this is just a brief overview. It's an overhaul of the entire bag lineup, as well as including some new ICUs and accessory pouches. The Explore series is focused on landscape photography and travel. So the bag has been designed with travel in mind. There are a few travel-friendly features, as well as other new features overall. It's got the really awesome, comfortable shoulder straps. It's got deployable side pockets, plenty of pocketing for outdoor adventure gear, as well as camera gear. And it's got hydration bladder compatibility, and it also has an adjustable harness system.
Yeah, these look like really intense outdoor backpacks. Like not really your average urban camera backpack, but specifically for like outdoor adventure photographers.
Yeah.
I don't know if there's too many camera bags out there like that. Guys, if you're watching and you know of some, please just comment in the description so we can check those out. But I think, yeah, this one stands on its own in a new sort of category for camera bags.
Yeah, I think Shimoda definitely built a pretty big reputation in the adventure photography world. Like, they have a whole bunch of brand ambassadors who are adventure photographers and adventure filmmakers. So I think that's definitely their speciality. And yeah, as mentioned, similar to the Peak Design Field Pouch, we've actually made a video on the entire range with everything that you need to know about it. So if you're interested in that, watch the video and also click the link below to check out the Kickstarter page. But Dan, next up, you're announcing our winners for the giveaway. Who is it this month?
Yeah, so as always, every month we give away an awesome piece of carry gear to one lucky person who's subscribed to the channel, but also subscribed to our email mailing list. Ed, what are we giving away?
Well, the giveaway for the TKS was so popular that we're running it again. So the good people at Black Ember are partnering with us to give away another TKS, the Tech Kit Sling. So if you're not familiar, it's a sling bag that can convert into a tech kit, and really useful piece of carry.
Absolutely. And also, look, the TKS, like that, Black Ember's struggling to keep that in stock, actually. So it's really lucky that we've got some to give away, and thank you very much, Black Ember. Also, interesting news is Rushfaster is going to be stocking Black Ember soon as well. So
there you go.
We're pretty excited about that. We've got stock on the way from the US now, and we can't wait to be stockers of the Black Ember TKS sling bag, my favorite sling bag. Anyway, you're probably wondering who won. Well, before I tell you who won, I'm going to say maybe you should sign up so that next month you win something. Use the QR code that's on the screen now to sign up to our emailing list and smash the bell and make it so that YouTube knows to show you the next videos from the Rushfaster channel, and then you can be in the draw for next month's prize, which won't be a TKS, but it'll be just as good. But for this month, we're pleased to announce the winner is from Canada, our friends in Canada, Matthew Fedorowicz. Did I get that right?
I think you did, yeah.
I hope so.
Let's hope so.
Anyway, let's just call him Matt from Canada. Matt, you've won a TKS. Black Ember's going to be sending that out to you soon. Ed's going to be in touch with you.
Yep, so Matt, congratulations. You won the Black Ember TKS. Put it to good use and treat it well. And as Dan said, I'll be in touch with you shortly with more details.
Cool. Join the TKS family. Ed, what's next?
Next, the team over at Pakt have been working on a new collection of carry gear called the Anywhere Collection. So Pakt have been known for creating considered travel gear goods. They have the Pakt backpack, which was designed alongside Chase Reeves. We've done a video on that, so you can check that one out. They also have the Pakt One, which is a really cool duffel bag, and now they have this new range of bags. The Anywhere collection includes 4 pieces built to work together for a fully organized trip, but are meticulously designed to help you navigate any adventure on their own. The collection has been designed with a mobile travel lifestyle in mind, with trips that require different forms of transportation or stays that range from days, weeks, or months. The collection features a 5-litre sling, a 25-litre duffel, a larger 50-litre backpack/duffel hybrid, and a huge 120-litre gear hauler. So Pakt bags all come with the same design smarts. They have TSA approved features, they generally have a minimal utilitarian design, and they have quality builds and materials. They're using a 900 denier durable water-resistant rPET fabric across the whole collection. Other than that, we don't know a whole lot about this new release just yet, but what we do know is that it's releasing late July on Kickstarter, and we'll also have a full range walkthrough video released on launch, so stay tuned for that.
I think Pakt could be a brand that that might be like a brand that we stock on Rushfaster. What do you think?
I think they're cool. I didn't really know of them a while ago, but looking at their bags and especially the comments from the community about Pakt, I think they're actually a decent brand.
Maybe we should look into that. And guys, if there's any brands that you can think of that you think would work well on Rushfaster, either on the channel or on the retail store in Australia, then please leave your comments in the description below. We'll check them out because we are adding a bunch of good carry brands to the site at the moment and looking for more good examples of carry. So yeah, that could be one. But anyway, I promised to talk about packing cubes now. So we've got a few new additions to the packing cube market from some pretty awesome brands. First one being Aer, a favorite brand of ours. They have released 3 new packing cubes, small, medium, and large. So that's a 6-litre, a 10-litre, and a 14-litre respectively. And they feature durable, lightweight, water-resistant 80D nylon Cordura. So pretty awesome fabric there. Ripstop, Cordura, nylon, all of those things are great. And then they come with an additional compartment for dirty clothes, which is also good. You don't want to mix those things up. Perfectly fits with the Aer travel collection. So really good travel accessory. If you're in the Aer ecosystem, definitely check out those. And hopefully we're all doing some travel in the near future and we can put those to good use. Also in the packing cube additions to the carry industry this month from Wandrd, another favorite brand of ours, they've released their small, medium and large packing cubes. And they haven't actually stated the volume on these, but unlike the Aer Packing Cubes, these packing cubes come with an expansion compression zipper system, which helps you pack more efficiently and consume less space. Sizing's a little different as well. The small is half the size of the medium's half the size of the large, or the large is twice the size of the medium's twice the size of the small. Whichever way you want to put it, that's the sizes that they come in. And yeah, they're pretty cool. Quality components, YKK zips, 70D nylon, not ripstop, I don't think. Is that right?
Just no, nylon. Not ripstop. Not that they've said, yeah.
but with a mono mesh on the front, so you can see what's in the cubes without opening. So that's pretty cool. Ed, last but certainly not least, you've got some news from our Scottish friends at Trakke.
Yes, our busy Scottish friends over at Trakke have released a new tote bag called the Messages Tote. Messages Tote. Interesting name, no doubt. But the premise of the bag is that ever since the COVID pandemic, it's become clear how important it is to support local communities and local businesses. So with that in mind, no grocery run would be complete without a reliable and reusable tote bag to accompany you. So the Messages Tote is a 16-litre tote bag that weighs only 180 grams. It features a waxed canvas material, so classic Trakke, 3 outer pockets, one of which will easily fit bigger phones, and also a key leash and strong webbing straps to hang on your shoulders. It isn't clear if there's more organization in the main compartment, but nonetheless, a very elegant looking tote bag that will last a long time.
Yeah, absolutely. Also made in Scotland.
That's right.
This looks pretty cool. So a little bit different. A lot of bags made in Asia, but it's good to see some manufacturing happening in other parts of the world as well. Yeah, look, if there's one thing that you can do for the environment, it's not use plastic bags, right? So yeah. These tote bags from Trakke, also the market tote from Bellroy, which we spoke about last month, great little additions to your carry quiver. You can stick them in your bag, roll them up, and then when you go to the grocery store, you don't have to A, buy a bag, or B, consume any resources or make any waste that's just completely unnecessary. There's enough packaging on the stuff that you buy anyway. Just if we can get the plastic bag thing sorted and just bring your own tote bag, that'd be amazing. Yeah, but this one looks pretty cool. Ed, don't you think?
Yeah, I like a good tote, and as you mentioned, Bellroy have made some decent totes. That's probably the only way we include Bellroy in this roundup. I know we said that Bellroy is going to be included in every roundup, but that's their only way in. We'll leave them out next time.
We're going to take a little break, but I have seen what they've got coming up, and there's some pretty nice things for later on this year. So the hype is there. There's definitely stuff there that I want for the gym and some other things. But yeah, we'll skip them next month. You're not allowed to include them, Ed.
You can't say anything.
Even though they're great. Can't say anything about them. And then everyone can be like, oh, what's happening? And then the month after that, bam, we'll just have all this information.
That's right.
Yeah, we'll just make it all Bellroy.
Yeah. Well, for the Bellroy stuff that we have mentioned and can talk about, there will be links in the description below. All right, well, guys, that's all we've got time for in this month's Carry Roundup. As always, here at Rushfaster, we are all about providing you with better gear because better gear means the world to us. So if you'd like to stay up to date with the gear that we cover, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.
And if you're interested in any of the products we mentioned in the video, check out the links in the description. Check out the links in the email that should be in your inbox now. Thanks for watching. Wash your hands, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.